Today I'm gonna be showing you a lip scrub. This is an easy DIY with a completely natural ingredient. It's very cheap and easy to make. This is for those of you who get chapped lips even though you drink like a ton of water, or for those of you who wanna make their lip look nice and smooth and natural under makeup. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get started. You start by adding 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. You can add any type of sugar you like, but I prefer brown sugar. The quantity of the sugar you add depends on the quantity of the scrub you're making. Sugar is a natural exfoliator, which means it helps break down old skin and help regenerate new one. Then I'll add 2 teaspoons of olive oil, which makes it more hydrating and soothing. Okay, now take your teaspoon and mix them all together until it's one consistency. It should really look grainy and not liquidy or oily. You can add more oil if it's too dry, or you can add more sugar if it's too oily. Depends on how you like it. Since the ingredient is so natural, you can use it twice a week to exfoliate your lips. It's so natural. You can also add lemon for lemon flavor and all that, but I prefer not to. I like how my makeup look when my skin is exfoliated and my lips are not chapped, of course. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment down below if you would like to see more DIYs from me. And thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Love you. Bye.